Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm showing you the unboxing and review of Morphe X AVANI GREGG palette, and this palette is so beautiful, bright colors, and in this palette some of the eyeshadows and some options of the eyeliners. So basically these last two rows is the eyeliners. So in this video I'm showing you these eyeliners are working or not, and also the eyeshadow swatches, so the eyeshadows are bright or not. So keep watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So here is the close-up of this palette. Oh my god, so amazing and so beautiful colors. Also we have two beautiful shimmers, the silver and the golden. So if you like to make the bright eye look, then apply. If you want then cut and crease eye look, also use the silver and the gold sparkles, and these colors are amazing. So you see the last two rows is the eyeliner, and the upper ones are the eyeshadows color. So now we are going to the swatches of this palette. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Now it's time to check the eyeliners and test these eyeliners are working or not. So I'm using this eyeliner brush. This is from Morphe brush, and I love this brush because it's creates so smooth look. So first of all, dip the brush in the water and then apply the eyeliner on the brush. So I'm dipping 2 times. So yeah, it's just dip, and I'm showing you in my arm. And wow, it's so amazing, beautiful colors. it's red colors. So we try the other colors as well. Now here is the swatches of the other eyeliners. So here is the all eyeliner swatches. So I love the colors like pink, orange, green, blue, purple, black, all colors in only one palette. So I'm really obsessed with, because you have all option in only one palette. So some colors, if you like, use as a blush color, the pink one, and also the matte colors, and the eyeliner, so amazing. So I just clean this eyeliner from the makeup remover, and it's amazing. It's so 24 hours like eyeliner. I tested on my arm, and I think you see it's not removable. So yeah, it's so amazing eyeliners colors. But some of the people said these colors also use like a neon colors, but I don't think so. because it's not working on your eyes or like the bright colors. I think eyeshadow colors are good, but my opinion is the eyeliners and the colors are amazing. And if you want to apply on your eyes as a eyeliner, then it's the good option, not the neon colors. So you see. And also here I tried from the makeup brush. This one is the blending brush, so I choose the purple color and show you guys how these colors blend on my arm. And you see, it's so amazingly blend. So these colors are so beautifully blend. So hope you enjoy my video. Please if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.